In a soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
So y'all, I started cutting the bob already and change outfits. This is the next thing. I started cutting the bob already and I'm trying to make it like super duper even. I cut like this part so I can have like a base to like follow all around, and I'm not going no shorter. So basically what I'm doing is I'm pulling it with my finger and I'm like going like down here just to like pull it with my fingers. I'm taking my little shears and I'm just gonna like, okay, I'm gonna get it smaller. I'm gonna get smaller sections so they can be like straighter. And then I'm just cutting them. And there goes the hair. Goodbye. I put it on. Well, not really, because I already have a wig on. But I like kind of put it on just to like I cut like a tiny little piece to see where I wanted to cut it at. And if it was like straight, then I just kept it there. And the fact that it was not all the way laid down, which means it was long, which means it was longer. So like, just in case I'm like, oh no, this is too short, this is too long, I can go back and cut it, and I didn't cut it too short. You know? I feel like that's as short as I'm gonna, that's as accurate as I'm gonna get this, because it's these are like razors, so I can't get them like super duper straight. I mean super duper blunt. I have like a razor thingy majigger, but I am gonna try. So basically, that's just what I'm doing. Like this. That's how it looks so far, which is not that bad. So now we're gonna go to the back and I'm gonna fast forward it and I'm gonna change the camera back so that I can see what I'm doing. Forgot to say this is Longqi Hair. This hair is so soft, has a lot of body, and it doesn't really shed that much, which I have had problems with other hair that sheds, but this hair doesn't really shed, and it's like really great because when I cut it, at first I thought I was going to shed a lot because I was cutting it, but it didn't shed at all. It's very good hair. Like, make sure you go in the description and make sure you purchase you some Longqi Hair. Like the thing that this one look like, and I try to get it as even as possible, but y'all see that? If y'all can, y'all see it's not like even. So like, to be honest, I don't know what to do, but honestly, you can't even really see it when you look at it from back here. Can't really tell. Well, I hope you can't really tell. And now I need to, oh shoot, I need to like make it look not like a V. I'm about to put this on, and I'll be. Okay, so I officially look really ugly because I look like know. But I look really ugly because first, before I get in this camera, my braid dye is trash. Honestly, truly. Second, I'm tired. And third, this wig is too far back. So I look like a monkey. But we're not gonna talk about it. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? What is this?